Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today to practice words from the at family. Let's sound out the words together first. K-at, cat, cat. S-at, sat, sat. P-at, pat, pat. M-at, mat, mat. H-at, hat, hat. T-at, tat. B-at, bat, bat. F-at, fat. V-at, that, that. R-at, rat, rat. Okay, this time we are going to read the words more fluently. Fluently means we read the words at the same speed as we would speak the words. Here we go. Cat, sat, pat, mat, hat, tat, bat, fat, that, rat. Okay, one more time. We're going to read them even more quickly. I know you can do it. Let's go. Cat, sat, pat, mat, hat, tat, bat, fat, that, rat. Did you keep up with me? I hope so. Hope to see you again really soon. Keep practicing those words over and over. You've got this. You can do it. You are a reader. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Thanks.